Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to deposit XRP in Trust Wallet. First, make sure you have the Trust Wallet application downloaded and properly set up on your device. This process is straightforward and will guide you through each step to ensure your XRP reaches your wallet safely and efficiently. We'll cover everything from finding your address to confirming the deposit, making it an easy method for anyone. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application and navigate to the main screen. Locate and tap on the XRP asset from your list of cryptocurrencies. Once on the XRP page, you'll see a Receive button. Tap this to reveal your unique XRP wallet address and a crucial destination tag. It's vital to copy both of these accurately for your deposit. Now, head over to the cryptocurrency exchange or external wallet where your XRP is currently held. Initiate a withdrawal or send transaction for XRP. Carefully paste the XRP address you copied from Trust Wallet into the recipient or destination address field. Don't forget to also enter the destination tag and specify the exact amount of XRP you wish to deposit. Before finalizing, always take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details, including the address, tag, and amount. Once confirmed, your XRP will be sent and should appear in your Trust Wallet within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride fresh. You'll find a link for that and other fantastic offers there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.